What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. As you guys know, this is my Honda S2000 and I put a Kraftwerk Suoercharged on it, and it's got a lot of cool goodies. Like from Ballade Sports, we got the twin disc clutch, the pulley conversion. So big shout out to Ballade and everyone who had a big part in this build right here. We Build Them helped me on it, 23rd Garage helped me on it, and it's gotten to this point. I put some sick Inkeys on it, wrapped in Dyno NT05s, and this thing's set up perfectly. It's got authentic CR parts, and the supercharger just tops it off, and it's an absolute blast to drive. So today we're gonna go to Jason Waters Tuning. It's in North Georgia. It's one of the best Honda tuners in the area. So if you want your car tuned, he's the guy to go to. And he's gonna get this thing dialed in, and it's an hour and 40-minute drive. So we gotta head out so we'll get there on time. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Jason Waters Tuning and we got the S2000 on the dyno and we're ready to get this thing tuned, so let's get started. Alright guys, Jason did a couple of pulls and unfortunately we had a bunch of issues. I had the wrong spark plugs and the belt wasn't tight enough and there was some boost leaks. Big shout out to him for working with me on this. We're going to do another pull and see if that fixes our issues because it's only pushing 6 PSI right now and it's supposed to push around 10. So let's see how it does. All right, guys, so it is tuned. Big shout out to Jason, hooked it up. We did have a couple of issues, but luckily he was patient with me. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, a couple little boost issues to fix. You know, the overall solid, smooth. You know, you need the other two sensors still. But aside from that, no major issues.
What did it end up making to the wheels?
338, I think it was the last pull. Fixed a couple of issues, and I think it'll be somewhere in the ballpark of 380 to 400 is where it should probably end up at. So
okay, sweet.
That's down about 4 pounds of boost from what they normally make. So like I said, make that little boost leak tester, test it, find the boost leaks.
Yeah, so we're gonna figure that out. I was honestly going for 350 wheel, so it's pretty close to my target, but I'm definitely gonna figure out the boost leak. If you guys are in the North Georgia area and you need any tuning, be sure to hit up Jason Waters. He is the Honda guru. That's actually his Integra right there, and that thing is insane.
If I ever get it done.
Yeah, I mean that's how projects are. They're a never-ending project.
Yeah. That one's been going on for about 2 years, so a little over 2 years probably.
That's like the same with my E30, which he's actually gonna tune my E30 too. It has the S2000 motor also, but I'm gonna have to figure out all the issues beforehand. That way we're not dancing around on the dyno.
Chase anything on the dyno, you know? So
yeah, for sure.
If we had a little more time today, we could probably find the boost leaks and stuff, but I'm actually going out of town in the morning, and we got another car lined up, so.
Yeah, it's no big deal, dude. I really appreciate you being patient. Me and Matt are gonna go and take this thing around the block. Have a good one, man. Good luck.
Yeah, I appreciate you bringing it up.
Yeah, for sure. Big shout out to Jason Waters, guys. Really cool guy, and he really worked with me with all those issues, and he did a great job. This thing is running beautifully. It's pulling good. Man, I didn't think it'd get faster. Not that I really hit it when it was on a bass tune, but it definitely got faster, and that's freaking awesome, man. All right, guys, on the new tune, this thing runs so good. It has the perfect power with the supercharger. Big shout out to Jason, man. He really did a good tune on this car, and it's running amazing, super healthy and everything. They even cleaned my black exhaust suit off the bumper. That was Will, actually. Big shout out to him. Hopefully he's gonna be watching this video. But yeah, this car is running awesome. We're almost home. I wanted to just stop and get some gas. It did already burn half a tank. I guess the supercharger just makes it burn a lot of fuel. It's pretty crazy. It already burned a quarter tank on the dyno, so yeah, we're definitely gonna have to visit gas stations a lot more often, especially with how I've been driving it. I mean, it's kind of hard not to speed in this thing. I mean, it's super quick now. It's like the perfect amount of power, not too much, not too little. I think if we find the boost leak, we could push it up, but right now at 340 wheel, it's super reliable, and it's the perfect amount of power and keeps the drivability. So I think we're just gonna leave it at that, and we're gonna head home and just keep cruising this thing. Maybe get some out of the car shots. Matt's probably gonna go somewhere. We'll go over there by my house somewhere. So we're gonna get some food and head out. All right, guys, like I said, my favorite thing is the fact that drivability is still there. I mean, this thing is just The only thing that changes is it's super fast now. Not super fast, but compared to what it was. Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
You did? Dude, he didn't see me. He almost hit me. Gosh, man, my heart is beating so fast. I thought he was just going to run me down. Man, that was scary. It's whatever. He made a mistake. I was mad, but he apologized. Man, that was a close one, guys. I'm so thankful that he did not hit the car. That would have just sucked. I guess he didn't see me because the hill, it goes up like that kind of at that stop sign, and my car is very small. I mean, I don't know how he did not hit me. He was at the stop sign. It's not like we were even going fast. It's not like we flew past him. We were going like 10 miles per hour turning onto my road, and he just, I mean, you see in the video, he about just sideswiped my whole car. I was a little mad at first, I will admit, but later down the road we talked and he apologized and said he just didn't see me. And there was just no point to be mad at that point. Nothing happened to the car and everyone is good except my heart does have a little stress on it. But guys, I gotta say, this thing is absolutely amazing and it runs perfectly. Big shout out to Jason Waters Tuning. If you're in North Georgia area, anywhere around there in the area, he didn't give me a discount. He didn't pay me to say this. I do commend his work. He's a Honda guru. He's tuned a couple of my friends' cars, a super cool K24 little Adam replica Bobby Randolph built, and then my good buddy Andrew tuned his S2000, and he's been running it, and it's just perfect. So he's a big Honda tuner around here, and he does a really good job. But he does tune all sorts of range stuff, but he got this car dialed in, and this thing is just running so perfect, and I'm so happy. It's kind of bittersweet considering I'm going to trade it in a week. But you know what? I do get to at least enjoy it for a little bit. We're going to trailer it to Florida. V-Tune's actually getting married. So we're going to trailer it to Florida. We're going to go to the wedding. And on the way back, we're going to trade it for something insane, which you guys are going to love. I know it already. Stay tuned for that. If you want to see that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any notifications. And if you like the video, be sure to comment down below what you think of the car. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys. I'm super happy. Everything went smoothly. We drove it 2 hours to Atlanta. And this thing is a trooper, and it just, look, it's a chick magnet. Look, get up under the car. You see that? We just got here, man. And there's already chicks attracted to it. If you want chicks, you get you a supercharged S2000. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the love and support. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.